Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ShareASale for merchant tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with ShareASale for merchant tracking, start by visiting the ShareASale website. Once on the home page, click on the sign up button if you do not have an account. Fill in the required registration information to create your ShareASale account. After registration, log into your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the Merchants tab on the dashboard. Search for the merchant program you wish to connect with. Click on the desired merchant's name to view their program details. Review the program terms and commission structure to ensure it aligns with your objectives. If you agree to the terms, look for the Join Program button and click it. Fill out any additional information requested to complete your application. After submitting your application, wait for approval from the merchant. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your ShareASale account to access your new merchant program. Locate the merchant in your dashboard to retrieve your unique tracking links. Use these tracking links in your promotional content. Monitor your performance through the ShareASale dashboard. Adjust your strategies as needed to enhance your results with the merchant program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.